Hi everybody, it's Duncan here with Lingvo Center, and today we're going to talk about how to make the past simple tense with irregular verbs. Making the past simple with irregular verbs is different from making the past simple with regular verbs. When we make the past simple with regular verbs, we're usually adding ed to the end of the infinitive. But when we make past simple with irregular verbs, we make a new word altogether. So, for instance, when we talk about the verb go, the past simple in the positive form is went. The past simple in the negative form is didn't go. With have, the past simple in the positive is had, and in the negative is didn't have. With get, it becomes got and didn't get. With buy, it becomes bought and didn't buy. With leave, it becomes left and didn't leave. With drive, it becomes drove and didn't drive. With meet, it becomes met and didn't meet. And with see, it becomes saw and didn't see. Wear becomes wore and didn't wear. And do becomes did and didn't do. We use the irregular past form only in positive sentences. So, for instance, I saw a film last night. Then we use the infinitive form after did and didn't. Did, if you remember, is the irregular past simple form of do. So, did you see a film last night? Not did you saw a film last night. Remember the word order. So, as-i and quasi. As-i is auxiliary subject infinitive. Quasi is question word, auxiliary subject infinitive. So, as-i, did you go out last night? Quasi, where did you go? The past simple form of can is could. So in the negative form, we say couldn't, not didn't can. And in the positive, we say could you, not did you can. Okay, now we're going to try some exercises to make the past simple with irregular verbs. In this one, we need to complete the text with the verbs in brackets in the past simple. So, in the example, we need to make the past simple of the verb be. And the answer is was. Yesterday was my birthday. Question 1. In this, we need to make the past simple of the verb buy. And the answer is bought. My boyfriend bought me a beautiful jacket. Question 2. Here we need to make the past simple of the verb go. And the answer is went. In the evening, we went out. Question 3. Here we need to make the past simple of the verb wear. And the answer is wore. I wore my new jacket. Question 4. Here we need to make the past simple of the verb look. And the answer is looked, because look is a regular and not an irregular verb. We looked for a Chinese restaurant. Question 5. Here we have to make the words not can into the past simple. And the answer is, but we couldn't find one. Question 6. Here we have to make the word have into the past simple. And the answer is had. So we had dinner in our favourite Italian restaurant. Question 7. Here we need to make the verb see into the past simple. And the answer is saw. After that, we saw a film. Question 8. Here we need to make the verb meet into the past simple. And the answer is met. Then we met two friends at a nightclub. Question 9. Here we need to make the verb dance into the past simple. And the answer is we danced for 2 hours. Again, dance is a regular and not an irregular verb. Question 10. Here we need to put the words not and get into the past simple. And the answer is we didn't get home until 3. Question 11. We need to put the verb be into the past simple. And the answer is was. I was very tired. Question 12. We need to put the verb go into the past simple. And the answer is went. I went straight to bed. Okay, now we're going to complete the questions in the past simple. So in the example, we needed to use the words you and go out. And in the question, that means that we add the word did. Did you go out last night? So, in question 1, we need to use the words you and where. And the answer is, what did you wear? Question 2, we need to use the words you and go. And the answer is, where did you go? Question 3. We need to use the words you and do. And the answer is, what did you do? Question 4. We need to use the words your sister and go. And the answer is, did your sister go with you? Question 5. We need to use the words you and have. And the answer is, what did you have to eat? Question 6. We need to use the words the party and finish. And the answer is, what time did the party finish? Question 7. We need to use the words you and get home. And the answer is, what time did you get home? And question 8. We need to use the words you and have. And the answer is, did you have a good time? And that's the end of our lesson today on how to make the past simple tense using irregular verbs. Thanks for listening.